Today's lesson is about transformation of a quadratic parent function, which is given as this. You can say it is a function f of x is equal to a x minus 0 plus 0. These two 0 and 0, these are h and k, and these are the coordinate of the vertex of the parent function, which is 0 0. So in the equation, this 0, this is the equation as a vertex form is given here, and this is h, which is 0, and this is k, which is 0. So this is the equation of a parent function of a quadratic function. Now we are going to learn if we transform or move this parabola, how these variables change. That is what we are going to see visually, and then we'll have a worksheet where you have to define whether the parabola is moving towards left or towards right or up or down. That is where you are going to see how it works. So let me switch to the screen where we are going to animate the parabola. We will move the parabola. Now here is the screen, and the parabola is, I'm going to move this parabola and by dragging its vertex. So the parabola is, you can see it is moving. First I'm going to move along the x-axis. Or what I am asking you to focus on these numbers. You see, this is h, and this is the equation given. So h, when I'm moving to the right, the h value is changing. You can see the h value at this point is 5, and you can see it is 5 here. When I move it, it goes to this, or if I, so when it is moving to the right, the sign is a negative here. What happens if I move this one to the left from the origin? So you can see when it is moving to the left, it is minus negative 8, means it has moved to the left 8 units. But if you are going to write these two negatives, which is going to become a positive, when the equation is given, it will be positive in the equation. It means it is moving to the left. If this one is negative, it means it is moving to the right. You can see it is moving to the left from the origin. And then if I'm moving it again back to the right, this sign becomes positive. You see that it is negative 10, means it is moving to the right, and it is how many units it have moved. It is on 11 units. So this is along the x-axis. Now I'm going to make it along the y-axis. So when I move along the y-axis, you can see the number which is not inside the parenthesis, it is outside, that is changing. So when it goes 4 units up, so it goes with the number. It is a plus sign, means it is going 5 units up. If I take it 2 units, so it is 2 units up from the origin. If I take to this side, you can see it is 6 units down. So when it is a negative sign, not inside the parenthesis but outside of the parenthesis, k value, if it is negative, that means it goes down. If this value is positive, then it moves up. Now what happens if I do the both of them together. So that is called compound transformation, which is written here. Now let me do the compound transformation. Means I am not moving along the x-axis or y-axis. Both of these values are changing. When you look at this, it is negative 10. It means it has gone to the right 10 units and up 6 unit. If I move it here, you can see it is 6 unit to the right, 2 units up. What happened if it goes down? That means this is 6 unit to the right and 6 unit down. Likewise, you can see all these numbers, which is, you can very easily see it here. Now you look at this, there are two negative signs inside the parentheses. That means it is a positive 7. So it is, the parabola has moved to the 7 unit to the left and 4 unit down. Let me move up in the second quadrant. Then you can see it is moved where it has moved to the left 6 unit and up 3 unit. I hope you understand this visual demonstration of the transformation of a quadratic parent function, and you will be given a worksheet which has couple questions about the transformation of a quadratic parent function. You are going to answer these questions. I hope you enjoyed the video and you will understand the concept of transformation or compound transformation of a quadratic parent function.